Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Flaky and welcome if you are joining me for the first time. Today's video is an unboxing video. I am excited to share with you the unboxing of the newest addition to my handbag collection. If you enjoy watching handbag videos, particularly unboxing videos, keep watching. Right, so let's get to it. This item was purchased online, so it came in the postage box, so I don't have the shopping bag that comes with some purchases from Louis Vuitton. And what was in the box is this box that I'm showing here. We just love this box, don't we? It has a magnetic clasp here, which I quite like. I tend to keep my boxes. I don't know if you all do the same, but I keep the boxes. So I still have the boxes for all my pieces from Louis Vuitton. I'm just one of those people. Right, so let's meet the bag. So that's what's in the box. In my excitement, I had taken out the ribbon, which I'm just going to put aside for now. I keep that as well, by the way. And I'll just take this out, it'll be easier to share. So this envelope has the receipts and the postage forms. It says Louis Vuitton on there. And this is the moment where we get to meet my lovely bag, and it is the Speedy Bandouliere 30 in the Damier Ebene print. This is how it's been packaged. It's been flattened so it fits into the postage box. And it is love at first sight for me. I'll just put the dust bag aside and we can focus on the bag itself. It comes in other prints and sizes, but I have chosen mine in the Damier Ebene print. And it is so beautiful. Right, so just open that up so it takes its shape. As I said, this is the Damier Ebene print, and it has the leather trim as well. Still got some wrinkles on there, but I'm sure that will smoothen out with time. So in terms of the features of this bag, the length of the bag is 30 centimeters. Apparently that's where it gets its name from, 30-25. So the base is 30 centimeters. The height is 21 centimeters and the width is 17 centimeters. I chose the 30 because I had actually tried it on in store, and this was the perfect size for me. The 25 was a bit too small, but 30 was perfect for me. So I knew when I was going to order, it would have to be a 30. Right, should we look inside? Well, before we look inside, it comes with the double zip, so 2 zips in there. Oh, and inside is the beautiful red interior for the Damier Ebene print. I just love this color. I love the interior. So that's the red textile lining. It's a big hole, and then it has a flat pocket on there, also with a zip. Just to give you a better view. It's not quite big, but the bag itself is roomy enough, so it shouldn't be a problem. Inside is the D-ring there, so if you want to hang your keys or any other inserts from other LV bags. And what I can see on here is the stamp. This says AA0290. Now what this tells me is that this piece was made in France, and it was produced on the 9th week of 2020. I hope I'm right with that. Yeah, quite roomy on the inside. This is just perfect for me. So inside the bag is the leather strap. There's also this cute pouch here. And in the pouch is the stunning padlock with Louis Vuitton engraved on it. And the keys. So the keys and the padlock. It's really cute that these come in a separate pouch, because I get to keep these nice and safe in the pouch if I'm not using them. I don't like to get scratches on my hardware. So yeah, that's a cute one. So the leather strap is adjustable. Comes with double buckle, and at the end you have the gold hardware clasps for attaching onto the bag itself. This adjustable strap is very good for crossbody and shoulder carrying. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach it. So this bag is very versatile in terms of the options that you have. Crossbody when you have the full length. The full length of the strap when you have the extender attached is 55 centimeters. And when it's shortened, it comes to 48 centimeters. So shoulder bag, crossbody, and you also have the top handle carrying, so you can put that in your elbow. Now comparing this to the Classic Speedy, the bandouliere has the strap. So the Speedy 30, the Classic Speedy 30 would not have a strap. And in terms of how it looks, it won't have this leather trim on the side. So on both sides, this leather trim will not be on the Classic Speedy, but you have it on the bandolier. So for the purpose, what I want to use this bag for, I want it to definitely have the leather strap. This is just beautiful and very shiny. It's got Louis Vuitton on there. Don't know if you can see. And it is in perfect condition. I like the shade of the canvas as well. So it's treated canvas, and this is the darker tone, which I quite like. I haven't quite decided if for this bag I will use an organizer. So I know many people use organizers for their Speedy handbags, and I'll be interested to know in the comment section what you feel about the use of an organizer for the bag. Are there any cons that I should be aware of? Because I wouldn't want to destroy my my bag. Right, something else I could share as part of this unboxing is this stamp on here. Don't know if you can see. So this stamp on this leather trim also says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. I own a few pieces from France, and I think I have one item only from Spain. I love them all because they will come in good condition. Yeah, this is don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and I hope the information shared would have helped anyone who is considering purchasing this stunning handbag from Louis Vuitton. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.